Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is found in plants, animals, but not in bacteria. As I told you, ribosomes are present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. Due to the presence of ribosomes, this surface appears to be rough. That's why it is named as rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is the nucleus and it is surrounded by cell organelles, various cell organelles which perform a specific function. This is endoplasmic reticulum. And the dots which you are seeing here, these are ribosomes. Due to the presence of ribosomes, this surface appears to be rough. That's why it is called RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Mentioned with some serial numbers. The first one is nucleus, the central part of the cell. Second one is this layer. This is the nuclear membrane which surrounds the nucleus. The third one, this is endoplasmic reticulum. The sky blue color you are seeing, third serial number, this is endoplasmic reticulum. Here this is fifth. These are the ribosomes. The dot-like structures which are present here, these are ribosomes. And the smooth surface which is here, this is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So we can define endoplasmic reticulum, ER in biology, a continuous membrane system that forms a series of flattened sacs such as tubules within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells and serves multiple functions, being important particularly in the synthesis, folding, modification, and transport of proteins. Synthesis, folding, modification, and transport of proteins. These are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. And the most important, the proteins are manufactured in the ribosomes, which are present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. A network of membranous tubules within the cytoplasm of a eukaryotic cell. Now we know cytoplasm is the liquid filled in the cell. And eukaryotic cells, the cells in which nuclear membrane is present around the nucleus, that are eukaryotic cells, continuous with the nuclear membrane. And nuclear membrane is present only in eukaryotic cells. It is absent in prokaryotic cells. It usually has ribosomes attached. Ribosomes are attached on the surface of ER, which helps in the synthesizing protein and is involved in protein and lipids synthesis. Means proteins and lipids are synthesized and then they are transported to Golgi apparatus. It is a delivering agent. It transports the synthesized protein to the cell which needs energy. Golgi apparatus is another cell organelle which performs specific functions in such as transportation and modification.